We guide you through how to add Google search bar on your Android home screen in 2026. First, unlock your Android phone and go to your home screen, then tap and hold on any empty space until the home screen options appear. Tap Widgets, scroll down and find Google, then select the Google search bar widget. Choose your preferred size if options appear, then drag and drop the search bar onto your home screen. Once placed, you can customize it by tapping the G icon or long pressing the bar to change colors, transparency, or style depending on your Android version. If you don't see the Google widget, make sure the Google app is installed and updated from the Play Store. You can also resize the search bar by long pressing it and adjusting the edges.